Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the EnRoute Backpack 23 liter from Thule. This sturdy backpack is made from a combo of durable 330D nylon, mini ripstop, and 600D polyester to give you a super durable backpack. On the sides here we've got these zippable pockets so you can store water bottles. They have one on each side, and you've got that top carrying handle. It's going to be nice and sturdy and easy to carry from. On the back side, you've got those extra sturdy straps with the super soft and padded material to keep you comfy, and the sternum buckle is going to keep it locked down. On that back portion, you've got the premium airflow channels with lots of padding. Keep it safe and comfy on your back all day. Moving to the inside, you've got that zipper. It's going to open that bad boy nice and wide so you can get to your items. Got a zippered mesh panel on the front there for organization. You've got the safeEdge construction. It's going to keep your laptop nice and safe and protected from the outside and the inside, and you've got that sleeve for your tablet as well. Moving to the inside, we've got one panel on that front there. It's got a bunch of daisy chaining so you can attach some items free hanging. On the other side, we've got a zippered pocket. You've got lots of room for accessories. Throw them in there, and then one pocket here at the top. It's got some micro fleece inside. It's going to keep your phone or any other items scratch free. Next, we've got that top loading crushproof SafeZone zip pocket for things like your sunglasses, smartphone, or anything else that you want to keep safe. Going to be nice and safe up top. So you'll be ready for no matter what the day brings with this awesome backpack from Thule.